Hi, myself Anjanelu. Now I'm going to continue immune system chapter. Today we are going to discuss HIV or AIDS. AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is a disease that is caused by HIV. HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. So now let us discuss what are the modes of infection by which the HIV is caused. Modes of infection: sexual contact with infected person, transfusion of virus contaminated blood, sharing of infected needles. Sharing of infected needles is mostly seen in hospitals and intravenous drug abuse. Infected mother to child through placenta, where mother and child will be having a connection through placenta. So if the mother is HIV positive and the child even will be the HIV positive. Let us discuss the structure of HIV. HIV is a retrovirus and has two single-stranded RNA molecules as its genetic material. Also has two molecules of enzyme reverse transcriptase, contains protein coat followed by lipid coat. These also have number of glycoproteins. This is a rough diagram of HIV. Here the S-shaped are called single-stranded RNAs and the dark shaped are called two molecules of reverse transcriptase enzyme, protein coat followed by lipid coat. These all hair-like structures are called glycoproteins. I'm showing a glycoprotein here, single glycoprotein, where the disc shape is called a GP120 and the stranded one is GP41. Now let us go into the mechanism. The HIV virus enters into the host body. The glycoproteins help the virus to bind to the surface of the Th cells and macrophages. With the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme, the HIV virus enters into the host cell, that is Th cells. The single-stranded RNA synthesizes the DNA strand of the host cell complemented to the viral RNA with the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme. Here, the RNA present in the HIV virus synthesizes the DNA of the host same like it. The second DNA strand is also synthesized by the reverse transcriptase enzyme same as the first one, complementary to the first one. Here, suppose if this is the host DNA and this is the viral RNA, this viral RNA synthesizes the host DNA same as the viral RNA and makes it complementary to the viral RNA. So both will be becoming same. So after the both virulent DNAs are formed, it is called double-stranded viral DNA. And with the help of integrase enzyme, it forms a legal cooperation with the host cell. So this enzyme helps in acceptance of the viral strand by the host cell. It makes the host cell to accept the viral strand. After it accepts, the transcription of RNA starts and new cells are formed, new virulent cells are formed, which will be attacking the new Th cells and the Th cells count will be decreased. Now let us go to the next topic, that is symptoms. Occurs after 5 to 10 years of infection. The symptoms will not be occurred in a less time. It will be taking a lot of time to occur the symptoms. So what are the symptoms? Weight loss, diarrhea, fever, and decrease in Th cells number, unable to protect themselves from even a minor diseases. So what is this situation is called low immunity power. Even for a small disease also, the person will be getting affected. So how to test, how to know whether we have HIV positive or not? First test is ELISA. ELISA is a screening test where the blood is screened, and if HIV is present in the screening test, the confirmation test is done, that is Western blot test. Prophylaxis: safe sex, that is use contraceptives like condoms and diaphragms. Avoid sex with multiple partners or unknown partners. So we need to use contraceptives like condoms and diaphragms. Avoid sex with multiple partners or unknown partners. Use proper sterilized needles and syringes. Screening of blood before transfusion is very much necessary. Educating people and affected mothers should consult a doctor before carrying. For educating people, there are two organizations, that is non-governmental organizations and governmental organizations. Non-governmental organizations are many. Governmental organizations is National AIDS Control Organization. This is all about the HIV mechanism. Thank you.